I'm Avalana and I launched Avalana Design, my own brand of luxury home decor products, in 2019. I worked in industry since 2010 after graduating from printed textiles and worked my way through various design industries before deciding to take the plunge and start my own brand of decor products. I was looking for a new web design company because my website was just not working, it wasn't functioning. I'd tried various web design companies previously and they were either too expensive, nothing was working, nothing was getting fixed. It was a nightmare, to be honest, and I didn't know where to look. Well, I'm a big believer in things happen for a reason, so Pumpkin Web Design was sort of the first one that came up as local to me on my Google search. So I was like, I was having a nightmare. I just called up out of the blue. John answered the phone and it was just straight away. He was just, straight talking. He was open and honest about everything. He was like, look, if you give me the login, I can have a look at the back end. And I didn't have anything to lose at this point. So I was like, yeah, take a look. Let me know what you think. And he was just completely straight to the point. He said, look, it is a mess. And I was like, okay, well, how much is it going to be? And I was just so shocked at how good value a price it was going to be to just get a brand new website from these guys. And I was just jumped at the chance. I was just absolutely buzzing. From initial discussion to the whole process of designing it and sort of getting the tech right, it was like more of a collaboration rather than, them working away behind the scenes and delivering it. Plus, I kind of wanted it to be ready for quite a tight deadline because I was doing Decorex exhibition in London in a month's time. So John and Brian made sure that it was completely designed and up and working and running for that date. So I totally appreciate their hard work on that. Plus, it was like, he was open and honest to my ideas and me being a creative and using my artwork and seeing what was possible and then telling me, what was technically achievable for the website. It was great. It was really good fun. And I've got a website that I love at the end of it. Ongoing support. I'm still in disbelief at how, I'll be like, John, I've got a list of things, and literally he'll be like, it's done. I'm just still in awe of those guys. Like, I'll literally ask them something or you send an email and it'll be checked. It will be checked and done and completed, or, we ring me up within an hour and we'll talk it through if there's like a couple of different routes we can go down. I just couldn't have wished for better. My new website has impacted my business in such a positive way. Number one, it functions well and smoothly and fast. I've got so many images and visuals on there. It's quite like a big sort of impact website, and the way that Pumpkin have taken on board like the sort of creative aspects as well, it really does have that wow factor when you go on, and they've managed to put like the video in there and just really make it flow just so well that it's such a better customer experience. Oh, I absolutely would recommend Pumpkin Web Design. Like, they're a dream to work with. They completely understand your business and they're open to listening to you. And they're just great guys. They just, easy to talk to and they get things done.